friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and you see this mango and it looks a little different from our most common mangoes. Well, this is a Philippine mango, also known as Manila mango or Carabao mango, and now I will show you how to peel, cut, and eat it. I washed the mango before making the video, and to peel it, it's super simple. Just use a vegetable peeler and peel it like you normally peel any fruits or vegetables. So now I've peeled it, and there's also that stem that I will just simply cut off with a knife. And I'll toss the peel. And now let's cut the mango into slices. So there's a mango pit in the middle, so I'll just cut around it into slices. So when you're cutting it, when the knife hits the pit, you just know, and then you adjust the direction of cutting. So keep cutting until, all that's left is the pit, and there's no more mango. So that's it. I can't really get any more mango out of it. So I'm done with this part, and now just make the slices more uniform, because we have some huge ones and we have little ones, but just do something like that. So they're not going to be perfectly the same size, but they'll be just something that looks reasonable. Perfect. So that was super simple, how to cut Manila mango. And now these mango slices, you can just eat it and enjoy, or you can make a mango salsa out of them. I do have some great recipes on my site and YouTube channel for mango salsa. Please check them out. But they're delicious as they are. Let's try it. Such a fresh, tasty, and sweet mango. The flavor is delicious. And does it taste different from normal mango? It's very subtle. Honestly, I couldn't even tell a difference. Maybe if I could taste them side by side, I could. But to me, very similar to regular mango. Very delicious. If you see them in the supermarket, please buy them. Now you know how to cut them. It's so simple. I'm sure you will love it. And please check out my website for lots of mango recipes. I have salsa, salad, and other easy recipes and techniques on how to cut many types of fruits and vegetables. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!